Right now, at this very microsecond, an invisible artillery is screaming through your body. Subatomic bullets forged in the hearts of dying stars and accelerated by supermassive black holes are tearing through the fabric of space-time at 99% the speed of light. Most of them miss your vital code, but some don't. You can't feel them, you can't see them, and you can't hide from them. But what would happen if just one of these particles, the most powerful kind ever detected, hit you directly? Would you explode? Would you even know you were dying? To understand the danger, we have to understand what a cosmic ray actually is. It's not a ray of light, it's a physical piece of an atom, usually a single proton, stripped of its electrons and kicked across the universe by an explosion so violent it defies human imagination. Imagine a bullet. Now imagine that bullet is 1 trillion times smaller, but moving so fast that the laws of physics begin to warp. These are cosmic rays. They are the most energetic particles in the known universe. They travel for millions of years across the cold void, only to find a target: us. On Earth, we are mostly safe, protected by a thick blanket of atmosphere. But even here, the ghosts of these rays reach you. Every second, about 20 cosmic rays pass through your body. They are passing through your brain, your heart, and your DNA right now. Why aren't we dropping dead? Because Earth has a secret defense system. When a high-energy cosmic ray hits our upper atmosphere, it's like a car hitting a brick wall at Mach 20. It shatters. It creates a particle shower, a cascading waterfall of billions of secondary particles, like muons and pions. By the time they reach you on the ground, their lethal energy has been bled away. But here is where the suspense builds. What happens when we leave the atmosphere? For astronauts, the shield is gone. In deep space, there is no air to soften the blow. Behind the thin aluminum hull of a spacecraft, you aren't just an explorer, you are a target in a cosmic shooting gallery. And the scary part, we've discovered that traditional shielding, like lead or steel, can actually make the problem worse. When a cosmic ray hits heavy metal, it creates secondary radiation, essentially turning the shield into a fragmentation grenade of subatomic shrapnel. Astronauts have reported something haunting. During the Apollo missions, while traveling to the moon, they would see flashes of light while their eyes were closed, mysterious, silent bursts of blue and white light inside their own eyelids. For years, it was a mystery. Now we know the truth. Those weren't hallucinations. Those were cosmic rays passing directly through the astronauts' eyeballs. As the particles move through the fluid of the eye faster than the speed of light in that medium, they create a sonic boom of light called Cherenkov radiation. Imagine the terror of being in total darkness, thousands of miles from Earth, and realizing that your own body is being used as a detector for invisible, high-velocity radiation. It's a constant reminder that space is trying to shred you from the inside out. But let's talk about the absolute limit. In 1991, physicists detected what they called the "oh my god" particle. It was a single proton moving so fast that it carried the kinetic energy of a professional baseball pitched at 60 miles per hour. Think about that. A single subatomic particle with the punch of a physical object you can hold. If that specific particle hit a human being directly, it wouldn't just be radiation, it would be a microscopic explosion. It would rip through your cells like a hot needle through silk, breaking thousands of strands of DNA instantly. Your body has repair mechanisms, but they are designed for normal damage. A hit from a high-energy cosmic ray is like trying to fix a skyscraper after it's been hit by a wrecking ball. It leads to shattered chromosomes, massive cell death, and a terrifyingly high risk of cancer. This is the ultimate secret of space travel. It isn't the rocket science or the fuel that stops us from reaching Mars. It's the invisible artillery of the cosmos. Until we figure out how to shield a human heart from a particle that can pass through a foot of lead, the stars remain a forbidden zone. Every time we look up at the night sky, we are looking through a storm of invisible bullets. We are safe for now, tucked under our blanket of air, but the universe is waiting, and its aim is perfect.
Subscribe my channel for future videos. Thank you.